was amazing. I honestly enjoyed being here.
It was really enriching and I feel pretty immersed into this subject.
I also enjoy teens coming together to learn the back, where it all started with apps and website, and just getting together to communicate and learn from each other.
The Spin Up is a program that came out of our desire to see more diversity and inclusion in tech.
By providing the resources that DigitalOcean has to offer and continuing on our mission of love and extending what we have to the community, ultimately gives an opportunity to historically underrepresented groups within tech to be able to have these resources and thrive, and ultimately be able to use the tools and resources that we're able to give them to create and build for the future.
Especially with me being an African American in technology and now on the venture capital side, but coming from Atlanta, that was not information that traditionally was given to me while I was in school. The Cultural Leadership Fund is a strategic investment vehicle that brings the world's greatest cultural leaders together with the best new technology companies. All of the proceeds that we make from the fund goes to a select number of nonprofits that are going to help advance more African Americans into technology.
When A16 approached SocialWorks and said that it wanted to get behind its New Chance Fund mission to bring STEM and computer science into to the students of CPS, and wanted to work with us to find a way to do that, and had the capital and the resources too. It's amazing. It's three titans in the game coming together under a central mission and being able to implement it in the different ways that they do.
The Spin Up is an entryway for all beginners to dive right into technology.
We hope that this initiative inspires the future technologists and entrepreneurs of tomorrow. We want people to see themselves in the technology that they're not only using, but hopefully will one day build.
The Spin Up.
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 The Spin Up. Spin Up!